I promise.
D's and F's? Ned, that's disgraceful. Ned, what is going on? Who is this Conrad fellow, and why did you have his report card?
Conrad? This is my
Emergency alert service transmission for the Greater County area. National Weather Service has indicated from 4:23 p.m. to unknown time there will be an all-consuming fog expanding across the area. Origin point 26.36 degrees north, negative 114.7 degrees west. Expansion rate 1025.3 miles per hour. Take shelter immediately on the lowest form of shelter possible. Stay away from windows. Any effort of physical protection from the fog will be futile. If no shelter is available, please visit your local church and count your blessings. All cities in the Greater County area will be affected. Take shelter immediately. The fog is coming. 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 The fog is...